Welcome. If you wanna transfer data from Android smartphone to your Doogee S50, for the first open the application that you are going to use with transferring data. So you can download it of course from the Google Play Store, and I highly recommend you to take this application. The name is Clone It because it's totally free and really easy to use. So if you just download, open this application on the both smartphones, and now pick sender on your Android device because you send data from this device, and receiver on your Doogee. Click set, turn on location, go back, click receiver again, click search again, and now just wait until our smartphones find each other. Okay, and right now click Android share on your Doogee, and as you can see we have two ways to connect. So we can scan QR code on input the password, and if you wonder where you can find the password, of course you can find it here, and I will just pick the scan QR code because it's just faster method to connect. Okay, as you can see it's going really fast. Accept request on your device, and right now click on the details and pick just wherever you want. I will probably go only for the music because this is only a short example, so I will pick maybe this Post Malone Circles song. And of course you can do this for everything that is available on the smartphone. As I said before, I'm just going with this one song from Post Malone. So right now click start. Okay, and it's finished. So right now when we move to the sounds on our Doogee, you will see that this song is here. So click on audios, and here it is, our song of Post Malone. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.